In 2017, TiVo had a big problem. Their do-it-yourself infrastructure was slowing down their return on investment. After carefully reviewing the root causes, TiVo's dev team decided to host all their microservices on AWS instead. Leveraging AWS's serverless architecture allowed TiVo to bring down their API load latencies to less than 30 milliseconds and improve their ROI. And they only used 5 AWS services. Which ones? Let's find out. Number 1, adding new devices, managing content, and programming data are all powered by hundreds of TiVo's APIs. The company interacts with its clients through Amazon API Gateway, which is a fully managed service that makes it easy to create and secure APIs at any scale. Did you know that API Gateway supports WebSocket APIs that allows real-time two-way communication? Number 2, all data processing from TiVo's APIs is run at scale using AWS Lambda. Lambda is a serverless event-driven compute service that lets you run code for virtually any type of application without provisioning or managing servers. Did you know that AWS Lambda natively supports popular programming languages such as Java, Node.js, and Python? Number 3, alongside AWS Lambda, the company uses Amazon DynamoDB, which is a flexible NoSQL database service for single-digit millisecond performance at virtually any scale. DynamoDB offers features such as continuous backup, automated multi-region replication, and in-memory caching. Number 4, to run its microservices, TiVo uses Amazon EKS or Elastic Kubernetes Service, which is a managed service to run Kubernetes in the AWS cloud in on-premises data centers. Last but not the least, number 5, TiVo also uses Amazon MSK or Managed Streaming for Apache Kafka, which makes it simple to ingest and process streaming data in near real time with fully managed Apache Kafka. In summary, by using AWS-managed serverless solutions, TiVo better understood cost limits, allowing them to make superior architectural decisions to empower innovation. There you have it! And if you like this video, you're going to love this one.